why. Well, I don't know if the myth behind this scraping is true, but my Hi everyone, welcome back to Ree's World. If you're watching for the first time or you've been watching, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. So on today's video, I'm doing a challenge. It's a challenge organized by Cameroonian YouTubers. That's you use 2,000 francs to prepare a Cameroonian dish. So I'm going to prepare cassava and plums. Cassava and plums. So guys, this cassava, I bought this cassava for 1,000 francs, and the plums, these plums, I got them for 700 francs. So that's what I will need for my challenge. So guys, as I earlier said, that is a challenge organized by Cameroonian YouTubers. So it means I'm not the only one doing this challenge. The other YouTubers that are doing this challenge, I'll leave their link in the description box so you can check it out. And you will also see what they did for their challenge. Let's get into the video.
Sensang mifra. Don't put mifra. I chose the worst day to go to the market. As you are seeing, it's rainy and it has been raining since morning. And when it's raining, rice like one small sea. It's like people need canoes to go around the market because water is everywhere. Look at how those cars are passing. They are swimming inside water and passing. And guys, I saw this meat and they're selling it like that for 1,000. So if you want to buy meat, go to Rail. It's the water issue. Water everywhere. I just had to go today because this was my only chance that I had. And I really want to do this challenge. So I had to go to the market. Despite the condition, I just had to dress and go along with it. So guys, I'm going up now to get plums. Someone told me that if I go up this way, I'll meet the people that sell at wholesale. These plum sellers, that these people are the ones retailing. They already bought from where I'm going to buy to sell here. So I'm going there. The person sent me there and told me that it's cheaper up there if I buy from there. So I'm going to see if it's actually cheap or not. And yeah, it's cheap. It's cheap because the lady that was selling told me that as she's selling that, those are the remains of what she actually bought. So she's just giving them on auction sales. Can you imagine that I went to buy from down? They asked me to give 500 francs for 6 plums. 6 small funny looking plums. They're not even big ones. 6 for 500. But this lady told me that let me select that this other group that has these smaller sizes, let me take 7 for 200 francs, and then this side that has big ones, let me take 5 for 200 francs, which was really great. So that's what I took.
So guys, we are starting by peeling our cassava. So guys, after peeling the cassava, I have to scrape it. I don't know why, or I don't know if the myth behind this scraping is true, but my grandmother told me that if you scrape the cassava, if it was supposed to be bitter, it would not be bitter. That's why they have to scrape it, because when they're transporting it from the farm to the house, you kind of hit the cassava on the ground or hit it on hard surfaces. That makes the taste of the cassava to change. That's changed to bitter from sweet. Yeah, I think sweet or the normal taste cassava has to bitter. So I'm scraping it. We'll only find out at the end if it's actually the truth or not. And since I can't really taste this raw cassava, I can't tell for sure if it's actually bitter. But well, let me just do what they do. start scraping, I cut the cassava to my desired sizes. So I'm done scraping. I just have to cut the cassava now and wash it because it's really dirty. So guys, I'm washing the cassava now. I think it's clean.
When we were young, I'll take the hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Memory.
So guys, I'm done watching and I add salt to improve on the taste. I put water. I think a cup of water would do. So guys, at this stage, some people just wash their plum and put it on the cassava so that it gets ready at the same time. But I don't want to do that because it's not really the method I like making my plums, and I wouldn't like to eat it if I make it that way. So I'm just going to boil the cassava separately and make the plums separately. So while waiting for our cassava to cook, let me wash the plums. But immediately I put the pot down, I will start making the plums too. So guys, let me just wash these plums and keep them so they can be draining while the cassava is cooking. Because the way these ladies were spreading the plums on the ground, it's as if let me brush the plum with one strong brush so that the plums will be extra shiny. But it isn't that bad because most of the things they sell in local market, I got everything here from a local market. Most of the things there are so exposed, so when you buy something, you make sure you wash them thoroughly before cooking because there are a lot of germs out there, and if you don't want to get sick or you don't want to infect your entire family, then you should learn to wash your things well before cooking them. Even if you cook them and the germs die, but it's great when it's even clean before you cook them. That's what I'm doing, washing them. So guys, I'm done. Let's wait for the cassava to cook. So guys, I'm done cooking the cassava. Woo, this is how it looks. Yep. And I'm now making the plum. So I have to let this plum cook for a while. I don't know for how, I cannot estimate for how long, but when it's getting soft as it is in this water, I will drain the water out and then I'll continue frying the plum. I don't want to just start frying it like that. It will take so much time to get ready. So I will start by heating the plum first in warm water for some time, and after that I drain the water and then I fry. So guys, I'll drain the water. Let me sprinkle some salt on it. Yeah, with salt. And now let's start frying the plum. So guys, this is how it looks after the frying process. And yeah, food is ready to be served. So everybody is waiting to eat.
I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and